If you love short hair, give me 3 minutes of your time. I can save you 40% at Chiquel for the weekend, Memorial Weekend. And Jon Renau just launched new Pixies. I have 3 of them and I have them all in the same color. This is so exciting. So they've launched some new Pixies for summer, low density Pixies. And because you can save 40% all weekend, I thought I'd show these to you before I even have time to do a full review. So the wig on my head is Celine. I have them all in the color 8RH14, which is my favorite Jon Renau brunette. And Celine is darling. She is, I think, my favorite of the 3. I just tossed them on my head. I've not done anything with them. They're fresh out of the box. Celine is made with heat-friendly synthetic. 2 of them are heat-friendly synthetic. 1 of them is regular synthetic. Look at how cute. She's got this forward style, this layered style. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's almost like a tiny little bit of a wave here, not curl or anything. She has a lace front and a full mono top. Oh gosh, I love this one. I'm actually debating about wearing this one today. As a matter of fact, she's so cute. The other one that's similar to this one is Tess. This one has a full mono top as well. Tess is made with regular synthetic fibers. And right off the bat, I can see this is a choppier cut. It's a little bit, I think there's a little more length on the sides. And this one is just a lot kind of choppier, whereas Celine had more kind of a wave, a slight wave going on. This one's a little bit choppier. They're not that different. Sorry if any of my bio hair showing. I haven't even arranged them because I only have 3 minutes. It will only let me do 3 minutes here. And so this one is Tess. So if you like Celine, they're really not super different, but you'd rather have regular synthetic versus heat-friendly synthetic, then Tess would be your girl. Otherwise, Celine would be your girl. Oh my gosh, you guys. And the last one I have here is Iris. Iris is the other heat-friendly, and Iris has a lace front and a mono crown, no mono top on this one, which makes Iris a little more affordable. Iris is the shortest of the 3. She's got this choppy short cut. She's a lot shorter. This one is the shortest, which makes her feel a little bit lower density. Very, very short. Not a lot you're going to do with this one because she is so short, but since you can't see down to scalp, she has no mono top. Again, saves you money. No permatease. None of these really have traditional permatease at all. Low density, short Pixies for summer. They come in a ton of colors. Look below for more details. Save some money this weekend.